Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Colgate Optic White Teeth Whitening Kit. So here's everything that comes in the kit. We've got this thing here that it's a light. You're going to plug this into your smartphone. It comes with USB-C, but it also has this adapter for lightning. You can plug it into an iPhone. It's got an on-off switch. It's got a built-in timer, but this is a case that the light is kept in. Now here's the Optic White pin. So we're going to take the cap off. Now you don't ever submerge this in water, but this is a priming pump. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to prime this so we get some serum out, and it can take up to 20 pushes. So it sounds like a pin. All right, let's keep pushing it. Now, if you look real close, the bristles, that's like a paintbrush, they're still dry. Okay, so I do start to see like a little bubble, like a little drop of liquid on the applicator now. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is take a Kleenex, and you gotta dry your teeth, dry your top ones. Then you're gonna take this applicator, it's like a paintbrush, and you want to paint your teeth, just the enamel part, with this serum. And when you've got some on there, it's enough for about 4 teeth before you got to reprime it. So once you have your tooth covered, you have to wait about 10 to 15 seconds for the serum to dry and form a clear coating. And again, it says if you feel a tingling sensation, avoid contact with your gums. Okay, so once you have your teeth covered with that serum and it's dried, you're going to take this out. This has a light in it, and this is what you're going to put in your mouth. You can kind of bite down on that area right there, but we're going to plug the other end of this into our smartphone. We can get power right from our smartphone. Okay, so here I've plugged it right into my iPhone. And again, this is where it will use the battery from your iPhone. And now when I press this button, it's going to turn that light on, and it will turn it off automatically after 10 minutes. So it's going to beep at me after 5 minutes, and then it's going to beep at me again after 10 minutes and turn that light off automatically. So again, you're going to paint your teeth, let it dry for 10 minutes or 10 seconds. Then you're going to put this in your mouth for 10 minutes, and it will turn off automatically and beep at you. Okay, so you're never supposed to run this tip underwater. You're always supposed to just dry it off. And if it needs, you're just supposed to wipe it off. If it needs primed again, you just keep pressing the pump. Here's what it looks like. It doesn't really have a taste. But I did get some on my inner gum here, and it doesn't really, it's kind of tingling a little bit, but it's not really hurting. Okay, so mine did beep at me once. That's the 5-minute mark. It's a very subtle beep, and it's really quick. It's only one time. Now it does say for best results, we recommend leaving it on overnight until your next brushing. Then it says if it hardens at the tip, do not run it under water. Push the button on the back 2 to 3 times and a new serum will soften the bristles. Yeah, so always make sure you put the cap back on. And it's not using much of my battery at all. On the back it says 5 volts, 0.25 amps. Now this cable is 3 feet long, and you can rinse this off when you're done. You might even want to brush it with a toothbrush or something a little bit. And then when you're done, you can put it back in here. This is a nice storage case. I would definitely let it dry, then close it for transporting it. But again, the light's going to turn off automatically after 10 minutes. Now I could come up here, I can press it again. I can turn the button off myself. And that's the end cycle that you would hear. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.